lot of stuff. That is a lot of stuff in here. Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. It's a brand new freaking box. Yeah! Are you guys ready to see what box it is? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you freaking ready? Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. We are a place of unboxings, a spectacle of unboxings. We do a variety of unboxings from pet boxes to fit boxes, snack boxes, we do all of the boxes. 180 box. Woo! If you go to 180degreebox.store, you were going to see their website. You were going to see a variety of options for you when it comes to setting up a subscription for yourself or for somebody very near and dear to your heart. So 180 box starts out at $44.99 per month, which is not bad at all because a lot of subscription boxes range anywhere from the 30 to 50 degree range. That's typical for a subscription box, especially when shipping is involved, because a lot of them do offer the free shipping option as well. So 44 bucks is not bad at all. So let's go ahead and unbox the 180 degree box, and then we will go ahead and give the box their very first rating from Saving Mamacita. So I first of all have to say, I love the look of this box. It looks like a gift. Look at that. It's a red box. It has their box name along the side, along with different inspiring words, powerful, beautiful, resilient. It goes all the way around the whole box. And then it looks like on the top, it looks like it's a big bow that's wrapped around the box. That is super, super cute, super fun, just like a present. So opening up the box, let's do this. This one is, I have to say, it's very heavy. It's very, very heavy. So I'm very curious to see what they put inside this box. So with a self-care box, you can expect anything from, I would say, journals, candles, beauty products, things like that. So opening it up, here's what it looks like inside. And on the top, we have a variety of things. We have a special gift for you. It says, thank you, looking forward to your unboxing. Thank you. Just wanted to say thank you. Relax, heal, breathe, and enjoy. And it just kind of gives a thank you for making 180 degrees a part of your self-care journey. Remember to always enjoy the journey. And it says lifestyle essentials for your mind, body, and soul. And it says all of the items that are inside the box. See that? And then on the back, it says what the next month's theme is going to be. And it kind of talks about togetherness here. A happy feeling of affection and closeness to other people, especially your friends and family. We know this all too well during the past 2 years, that it is so important to have that support, to have that sense of belonging, and encouraging us to love one another. To know you have others to turn to and are all in it together is a wonderful thing. Remember to enjoy the journey. Great message, love that. So I'm gonna keep this open just so I can look at all the products that are inside. One thing that I don't see right off the bat is a value on these items, but there is a really nice description of each item on here. So that is cool. Okay, so looking at the box, look at this. On the sticker, it says, you're invited. Breathe, joy, heal, relax, togetherness. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so this looks like a book. It says, so much to celebrate, entertaining the ones you love the whole year through. This is a freaking cookbook, you guys. Or is it a cookbook? No, yeah, it is a cookbook. There are different ideas in here. There's milkshakes. There's, oh my goodness, there's pumpkin pie. Brimming with creative themes for every season, inspiring decor ideas and delicious recipes. So it's not just a cookbook, it's actually ideas for decor, themes for different seasons. Appreciate good times, good food, and good celebrations. Become inspired to make the most of every season through entertaining loved ones and make great memories. Oh my goodness, yes. So this has a value of $30 on here. Very, very nice book, you guys. I love that. Next item, we have Bubbas Fine Foods. This is a ungranola. A quick snack while you do your holiday run. For a morning or afternoon pick-me-up on your yogurt, smoothie, or ice cream, Bubbas grain-free granola is a surprising blend of coconut, bananas, and premium nuts that taste just like your favorite cereals. Oh my gosh, yes. I love myself some granola for sure. And this has a bourbon vanilla flavor. As I mentioned, coconut, banana, and premium nuts. So yes, I will definitely try that on my yogurt. That'll be super, super fun to try. Next we have, this is a, jasmine plum. This is actually a body wash. Mangiacotti Whipped Body Wash. Experience dessert for your body. What? A moisturizing and luxurious whipped body wash is an all-in-one foaming soap and shaving cream. Taking a shower will become a fun yet indulgent experience with this rejuvenating fragrance. Its plant-derived whipped body soap with essential oils will leave your body soft and beautifully scented. Oh my goodness. Let's smell this. Does it twist off or what? Yeah. It's like whipped cream. Look at that. It smells very lavendery to me. It says jasmine plum. Not sure if I'm a big fan of that scent, but what a great idea. Next up, we have a Emu, everyone must use. Emu Hand Sanitizer Mist. That makes sense. While you're on the go or entertaining, enjoy using this refreshing hand sanitizer with no alcohol smell. Love that. This hand sanitizer feels good, smells good, and keeps your hands moisturized. Ooh. It smells very lemony. It doesn't have that strong alcohol smell though, so that is definitely a plus. Next up we have Denovo. What is this? It's a pocket lint brush. As we take out our favorite fall and winter clothes, experience the ease of this compact self-cleaning lint brush. Designed to replace your traditional sticky sheet lint roller. Yes, you guys know those sticky things, right? This is going to be way better than those sticky, messy things. Look at that. Oh, yes. Okay, we've got some more things, you guys. We've got a Pedi in a box. This is Pedi in the box, Voesh. Show your feet some love before or after your celebrations. Relax and experience this deluxe 4-step Pedi set. All-in-one spa pedicure kit is infused with natural extracts to get you in the mood for a good soothe. Indulge in some me time and treat your feet to a well-deserved pampering. And oh my goodness, do my feet ever need some help? Inside, they have a sea salt soak, sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter. Awesome. Definitely going to use this for my nasty feet. Yes. Next up, we have 3 bath poofs, charcoal infused. Okay. I need some new poofs, that's for sure. Bath Time Glow with Poufs, infused with charcoal to bring you the best cleaning experiences, has a multitude of health benefits and detoxifying properties that deep clean skin, unclog pores, and remove deeper impurities and dead skin cells. I haven't tried one of these yet, but definitely interested in giving these a shot. I've heard of this brand before, so I'm very interested in trying these out. We still got a couple more things left. We've got, oh my goodness. We've got a Lilly Bean cupcake mix. Grab some company or enjoy your alone time and bake up some scrumptious cupcakes. An easy, exciting, and tasty addition to any gathering. Enjoy whipping up the most delicious cupcakes ever right at home in a matter of minutes. This is gluten-free, vegan, soy-free, artificial color-free, and dairy-free, you guys. We have Serve Up Something Good, this says. This is Santa Barbara serving set. Add a distinct and fun style with this beautiful serving set, perfect for any meal you whip up. Also includes a recipe. The modern design and classic colors provide a clean presentation and will complement your other kitchen essentials while you serve your favorite entrees, desserts, and appetizers. Let's cook something. This is super cool, you guys. Let's open this up, see what's inside. Oh, for cute. It has a recipe of the fresh raspberry balsamic vinaigrette. Use the serving fork and spoon set to plate your favorite pasta dishes, salads, vegetables, or side dish. Elegant and neutral design coordinates with any table space. Clean with mild soap and water, then dry before storing away. How nice. And then the last item, you guys, was the bonus item that I mentioned earlier. This is the bracelet. That is super adorable. But look at that, it's so cute. So adorable, wow. Okay, so that concludes the unboxing of the 180-degree box, you guys. Let's go ahead and do a quick review, and then we will go ahead and give them their very first rating. Are you guys ready? All right, so we got the bracelet as a little bonus. We got the Serve Up Something Good fork and spoon set. We got the Lilly Bean carrot cupcake mix. We got the 3 bath poofs from Cole. The pedicure set, Pedi in a box, lint brush, the granola, the body wash, the whipped body wash, Emu Hand sanitizer. Finally, we've got the book. All of those things, you guys, in the box for roughly 45 bucks a month. Let's go ahead, you guys. You know what time it is. It's time. It's time to rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. 180-degree box. I see you. I see you. When we give a box a rating, you guys, we rate based on a variety of factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. And this presentation was legit. I love how the box looks. It looks like a present. Makes it so fun, makes it so festive. Perfect for gifting to somebody. Has a wide variety of things in there, and that's exactly what we look for when we are rating the box. We also look at the price point of the box. 45 bucks for all of these things? Like, for real? Now, granted, there are a few things that I probably will not use. I'm not so sure about this. If it was a different scent, I would probably try it, but it's not really the scent for me. Other than that, everything else in here, I'm definitely going to enjoy or use for myself. Only thing in this box, you guys, and I know you probably know exactly what I'm going to say, the description brochure thingamabobber. It had a very nice description of each item in there. I really enjoyed that. The only thing that was missing was the value. We love to see the freaking value. It's on the back of the book, and that was a $30 value. But nothing else had a price on their item. I can tell that you definitely get your money's worth, but it would have been nice to see a value for each item. Let's go ahead, you guys, put our thinking hats on. What would you rate this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. But right now, we're gonna hit that drum roll. You ready? Drum roll, please. 180-degree box. You are gonna get your first rating, and that rating is a 7.5. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, the subscribe button, notification bell, all of that jazz.